ApprovalMax, my honest review and user experience of this invoice payment tool. If you've ever dealt with messy approval chains, lost invoices, or confusing paper trails, you know how frustrating finance workflows can be. That's why I decided to test ApprovalMax, a tool designed to automate and streamline the entire approval process. Here's my honest review after using it. Most people get this wrong. They think automation tools are complicated or only for big companies. But the surprising truth is that ApprovalMax is simple enough for small teams yet powerful enough for enterprise use. The setup was fast. After connecting it to my accounting software, in my case, Xero, ApprovalMax immediately sensed all invoices and bills. From there, I could assign roles, create approval rules, and even set multi-step authorization flows. For example, I created a rule where expenses under Xero only needed one manager's approval, while anything higher required 2 signatures. System handled it perfectly, automatically writing documents to the right people and sending reminders if someone forgot to approve. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, and the email notifications mean you don't have to log in constantly to stay updated. Thus, the audit trail feature is a lifesaver. It records every action taken, which makes compliance and accountability much easier. The only small drawback? It takes some time to fully customize workflows if your approval structure is complex. But once it's set, it runs like clockwork. In short, ApprovalMax turns what used to be a chaotic process into a smooth, automated workflow. If you're tired of chasing approvals or losing track of invoices, this tool will save you hours every month and make your accounting team a lot happier.